Malabon Mayor Honorable Jeannie Sandoval, Caloocan Mayor Representative Attorney Misael Raymond Digsay, the legal consultant, and the OTR-OTS ASEC Jose Briones, sir and ma'am. Let's give them a warm round of applause, everyone.
Individuals who inspire us all. In the heart of Metro Manila, where flames dance and chaos reigns, there exists a silent army, a dedicated force of unsung heroes. These are the fire volunteers and the tireless fire brigades, supporting the Bureau of Fire Protection without hesitation, standing tall against the inferno. From rocket brigades to high-tech equipment, the helping hand of firefighting has always been the volunteers who will step up when the alarm bell rings. Over 1,300 fire incidents down the metro have been reported this year's first month. Such a fire engulfment turn houses into ashes, kill innocent lives, shatter dreams, devastate the sweat and blood of Filipinos, the hard-earned properties. Do you have what it takes to be a firefighter? One of the government's most undermanned agencies is the Bureau of Fire Protection. In terms of its optimal ratio, one fireman has to serve 2,000 people. Thus, in the NCR alone, 550 fire volunteers represent a significant force multiplier. Hence, the BFP has been vocal in its support for volunteer fire brigades across the archipelago. Clad in multiple layers of the insulated PPE, bathed in sweat, undeniably exhausted, yet still pleasant with genuine smile on their faces. Despite the intensity of the battle, some of these heroic souls even sacrificed their own lives to give others a second chance. Fire Director Luis Uralda Baraka and Fire Chief Superintendent Nahum Barbatorosa commended the heroism and bravery of all fire volunteers and applauded their dedication in addressing the unique challenges faced by rural volunteer firefighters. It is not just about extinguishing fires. It is more about building a support network among fellow firefighters. Tandaan, sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi